Hello YouTube, it's been fully and it's midnight here in UK, and I just wanted to let you know that so I got a torch on me, that's why, because it's too dark. I just wanted to let you know that Mafia 2 is coming out, was being released. I've been waiting up, so it's 12 o'clock now, it's past 12, 27th of August. Mafia's been launched, so I'm gonna pick it up in the morning. And when I pick it up in the morning, I'll come and do unboxing, and I'll do some gameplay later on maybe. So yeah, I hope you enjoy watching my videos. Comment and subscribe please. And it's a short video to show what I'm doing. So yeah, I hope you enjoy watching the video. When I get it tomorrow, I'll do an unboxing straight away. Okay then YouTube, thank you for watching. Bye.